There are a lot of sensationalist headlines out there, and most of them lead to fake news. Once you actually read the article, you will often find that the headline was just clickbait. This is not always the case, but it is the case enough that it is cause for concern. Take this most recent find, that scientists have found evidence of life on Venus. Naturally, I am skeptical as a scientist, but I am also skeptical as a Christian. Let's briefly look at the latter. Adam's sin cursed the entirety of creation, and it was the blood of Jesus Christ, a descendant of Adam, that cleansed the world in response to the curse. If there is alien life out there, it could not be cleansed of sin. Granted, that is a whole separate discussion for another day, but let's go to the science behind it. The compound in question is phosphine gas. This is normally only produced by industrial means, and by extremophiles such as microbes that live in hydrothermal vents and in highly acidic water. Since there is no evidence of factories, it must be simple microbial life. Right? Not so fast. A study published by the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers shows that this might not be the case. There are instances in which sulfuric acid breaks down iron to produce phosphine gas. The news releases are saying that we need to send more probes to get more data. If the researchers just said that there is a possibility of sulfuric acid that is breaking down iron, their bosses would not say,
"Shut up and take my money."
This is not evidence of life, alien or otherwise. Thought experiment. If we took all of the money that is being used to fund space research of things that have no direct impact towards life on Earth, and devoted that money to, say, Habitat for Humanity, would we still have a homeless crisis in America? I really think it is a waste of money to continue to look at Venus. Granted, we should learn as much as we can about God's creation to better understand Him. For the glory of God can be seen through the beauty of His creation. However, that is not what these scientists are doing. They found a gas in the atmosphere of Venus that could possibly indicate life. But when it comes to life in a mother's womb, that is just a clump of cells and not worth anything.